Welcome, everyone. In this video, we're going to explore the tips feature in vitepos. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you've already subscribed, thank you for being a part of our community. Let's dive in. First, navigate to the vitepos admin panel. Note, the tips feature is only available in restaurant mode. Next, head over to the Role Access tab. Under the Pause Access section, you'll find the Order Tips ACL list. From here, you can grant or deny access to specific user roles for using the tips feature. In this example, we're giving the cashier role permission to access the Order Tips system. We're currently logged in as an admin. Now, let's navigate to the Pause panel. Right now, there are no active orders. Let's place a new one. Select a few items, fill in all the required fields, and proceed to the cashier module to take payment. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it to access the tips option. Add a tip amount. In this case, the order includes 2 items totaling $18.89. When we add a $5 tip, the total updates to $23.89. After completing the order, you'll see that the receipt clearly shows the tip included in the total amount. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share for more updates. Thanks for watching.